In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install apps on a Samsung TV. First thing first, press the home button on your Samsung remote to open the home dashboard. Use the directional buttons to scroll right and select the apps section. You can tap the left to open the search icon, then type the app's name or browse the available apps under different categories. Once you find your desired app, highlight it and select Install, and the app will begin downloading and installing automatically. Now after installation, choose Add to Home so you can easily access it later, and then if you skip this, you can still find it anytime in the Apps section. Just a tip, keep your TV software up to date to avoid compatibility issues with new apps. And that's it guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.